Hello, thanks for checking into the Rocky Ridge Auto channel. Today I want to show you how to replace the CR2032 battery in this 2014 Honda Civic. The battery is getting weak. It does light up. Sometimes they will light up, but just not strong enough to send the signal to allow the car to unlock. So what we'll do, I'll show you how to do this here. We'll flip this around. One of the keys to this, that's funny, one of the keys to this key is this this screw here from the factory. Honda put some Loctite on it. So what I'll do is I'll take a screwdriver, make sure it's a good one that fits well, and I'll hammer it just a little bit lightly to break it. So then we'll pop it open here. Very important to do that step. I'll tell you why. This screw is very small and the metal is pretty soft, so it's very easy to round this out. Once you do that, it's just a real pain. So you want to make sure you do that step. As you can see, there's some blue Loctite. Yeah, maybe you can see it, blue Loctite in there. Next step, there's a little piece here. Just kind of crack this open, just like that. Separate it, and we will pop this out. And I was mistaken. I said CR2032. This is a 1620. That's the size of the battery. It's not a CR2032. So let me grab the correct 1620 and we'll pop this in. All right, so I got my Sony 1620 and we're gonna crack this open just like this. And we are gonna put this in here. So you see the plus here, that means the plus side goes down, and we're gonna pop this in and wedge the other side in first. Yeah, there we go. It snaps in. Next step is to put the shell back together. We'll put this cover on the correct way. You hear that snap? Now we got a good light there. And then the next step, I would not recommend putting Loctite back on this screw. It's not real important as long as it does stay tight for you. And we'll screw it back on. And just make sure it's tight. Finger tight is good. And that, my friends, is how you replace the key fob battery in a Honda Civic. Please like, subscribe, and follow us. Thank you much.